Hello viewers, this Not Too Fast here. In today's video I want to show you this very unique car jump starter. This one I have here is a truly multi-function device. Now in the past I've shown you other jump starters, but this device can do so much more. Obviously it can jump start a vehicle, but it also has a built-in inverter giving you 110 volt output. It also has two built-in USB charge ports. It has a multi-mode flashlight, a magnetic suction base, and a smart jumper cable, making the jump start process safe and easy. In this video, I'll show you all these great features. Let me first show you the unboxing. Now this unit is made by the company Flylinktech, and it's a 2500 peak amp jump starter. There's a carrying case for all the cables and attachments. There's the AC charging adapter, jumper cable, USB charge cable, cigarette lighter power adapter, US to EU AC adapter, user manual, warranty card, and here's the jump starter unit. Let's have a closer look at this jump starter unit. As you can see, it has a very unique slim design. Now the top part right here is a handle for you to carry this. On this side is the LED panel. There are actually two elements to this. There's a flashlight here and also an LED panel right next to it. To turn this on, what you want to do is press and hold this blue button right here. That'll turn on the LED flashlight. Press it again. This is SOS mode. Press it once more. Now this LED panel will turn on. Press it once more. The LED panel will turn on the red LED. Press it once more. Now the red LED will flash. Press it again. Now we're back to the white LED flashlight. Press and hold to turn it off. Now you can actually swing out this LED flashlight. You can flip this out. Adjust the angle. Now looking at the top, next to a blue switch, there are 4 LED here. Press the blue switch once. This will show you the charge level of the internal battery. Looking at the front of the unit, so right here it tells you some information about this power bank. It's waterproof. The model number is CF400. The internal battery capacity is 24,000 milliamp hour. The AC output is 110 volt, 100 watt for the US. If you get the European version, then the output's 220 volt at 100 watt. Now this one I have here only outputs 110. There's a USB-C port that can be used for both input and output. If you use it as an input port, you'll use the included AC USB charger. And if you want to use it as an output port, it will output 5 volt at 3 amp, 9 volt at 2 amp, or 12 volt at 1.5 amp. There are two USB QC 3.0 charge ports, and those two ports will output 5 volt at 3 amp, 9 volt at 2 amp, or 12 volt at 1.5 amp. So depending on the USB device you have, it will automatically select the proper voltage and current to charge the device. Looking on this side, there's a rubber cover you can open up. Here you see the AC output port, USB charge ports, and the jumper cable connector. On the right side is a cooling fan. This will turn on when you turn on the inverter or the USB charge ports. Next to a cooling fan is the AC output. For the model I have here, this will output 110 volt. In the middle is a power switch for the USB charge port and the inverter. Next to it are the two USB charge ports. There's a USB input and output port. And below that, there's a connector where you'll plug the jumper cable. Now there are a lot of heat that gets generated when you're using the inverter. So make sure you don't cover this fan when you're using this power bank to power an AC device. Now if I press the power switch, the fan will turn on right away. To charge a power bank, use the included AC USB charger. Open up the cover on the side. Plug this cable into the USB-C charge port, and then plug this into your wall outlet. While it's charging, look at the top of the handle. There's an LED indicator telling you the charge level. To charge a USB device, connect the USB cable to one of the charge ports. Now press the power switch, and the phone is now charging. You can press the power switch again to turn it off. With a jumper cable connector, you can either plug in the jumper cable or this cigarette lighter plug. Now if you plug this in, it will output 12 volt for you to power your 12 volt compressor, 12 volt vacuum cleaner, or 12 volt refrigerator. Or you can plug in the jumper cable. Once you plug this in, it's ready for use. So if you need to jumpstart your vehicle, connect these two clamps to your car battery, then go inside your vehicle and start it up. Now this is a smart jumper cable. What I mean by that is inside this box, there are many safety features built in. So for example, it has reverse polarity protection, reverse connection protection, overload protection, overcurrent protection, over discharge protection, over temperature protection, and short circuit protection. This makes it very safe and easy for anyone to use. So even if I was to short circuit these two clamps, there's no damage. Now on the back of the jumper cable, there's a bypass switch. If your car battery is so low in voltage, the safety circuit inside might not be able to detect the car battery. Usually the threshold is around 3 volt. If you have a car battery that's drained that low, what you can do is press and hold this button for 3 seconds. You hear a relay click, and now the LED is solid green. This tells you the battery pack is now outputting voltage directly to the clamp. Connect the clamp to the car battery, and now you can jump start the vehicle. Another nice feature about this unit is the bottom is actually magnetic. So you can stick this onto the side of a fender or underneath the hood. So let me show you some examples of how you can use this jump starter. To use a jump starter is very simple. Plug the jumper cable into the jumper cable port. With the magnetic base, you can stick this onto a metal bracket like this one here. Connect the negative clamp onto the negative battery terminal, and then connect the positive clamp onto a positive terminal. Now you can get into your vehicle and start it up. With a built-in inverter on the power bank, you can take this with you on the job site. So here I have a Ryobi charger. I'll plug this into the inverter, turn it on. I can plug the battery into the charger, and the battery is now charging. And while this is charging, I can also charge my cell phone. Now my phone is also being charged. With a 100 watt rating on the inverter, I can use it to power tools like this soldering iron right here. Here's a rotary tool. Using a 12 volt accessory plug, you can use it to power your 12 volt devices. Here I have a portable compressor. As you can see, this is a great jump starter unit. Besides being able to jump start your vehicle, it will also serve as a portable power station. With a built-in 110 volt inverter, you can use it to power your tools or charge batteries. Along with the USB charge ports, you can also use it to power and charge your mobile devices. It's definitely a very versatile device you can take anywhere with you. Now at the time of doing this review, you can get this on Amazon for $120. There's also a $20 coupon right below the price. If you want to pick one up, check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click on a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please click on the subscribe button to support this channel. Also click on the notification bell so you'll get notified of my new videos. Thank you and have an awesome day.